Every AI model has a fixed context window. As your LangChain agent runs, conversation history continuously grows.
Without context management, long conversations become expensive, slower, and eventually exceed the model's context limit.
LangChain automatically manages context using Summarization, Memory, and SkillsMiddleware.
Summarization compresses history. Memory loads persistent instructions. And skills retrieve knowledge only when needed.
All middlewares work together before every model call to keep prompts small while preserving important knowledge. The result is faster, cheaper, and smarter AI agents that can work across long-running conversations without losing important context.